Here's the finale. Navy Pier fireworks, July 4th, 2015. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
All right. You can see the crowd that gathered here in this spot that we found last year. Yep, and that was it. Here are the buildings right here, downtown Chicago. Until next year. Bye.